Hello, this is Mark from I Am Organic Gardening, located in Zone 6B in the state of New Jersey. On this amazing, colorful day in fall, I just want to share with you today this beautiful explosion of color that's on these maple trees and this scarlet, vivid red that you see in the background here. Now, in today's video, I want to show you also what's growing on those leaves, what microbes are growing on them before they reach the ground and start decaying. This is such a beautiful gift that we get from nature. One is the spectacular colors that we get from this beautiful maple tree that will change over time. Now, we also get those beautiful nutrient-dense leaves that we can add to our garden as mulch. I'm going to collect a couple leaves here so we can cut them up and put them underneath the microscope and see what's growing on them. Nice couple big ones here. There we go. Got a nice sample. So let's look underneath the microscope. I have my microscope set up, so now let's take a sample of the leaves and add it to some distilled water. So I have 4 milliliters of water in this tube right here, and now we're going to just take about let's say a 1 milliliter of sample from a couple of leaves, and we're going to add that in there. Now I don't want to touch it with my finger because I don't want to add anything to this sample. So I'm just going to break things off and add it in there, and I'll get right back to you. So now I have my combination of 4 milliliters of distilled water and 1 milliliter of leaves, and we're just going to take the top of the container, put our thumb on top, and then we're just going to rotate it from side to side. Now after shaking it for about 5 minutes, not a hard shake, nice and easy, we're going to take a pipette and we're going to draw a sample out, go right here in the middle. And we're going to just take 1 drop and put it on our very clean slide, like so. And then we'll add a glass cover to it, and then we're all set. We'll go underneath the microscope. So I just zoomed in at 400 magnification, and hopefully you can see this. This is the first thing I want to point out before the leaves hit the ground. Now, let me zoom in on again here. Let's go right here. Hopefully you can see it right now. 1, 2, 3. This is fungi strands starting to decompose those leaves already up in the tree there. Now I just saw a bunch of bacteria swim by and also a cillet. Now just to let you know that you have fungi present on already decaying those leaves before they hit the ground. Now here's a very good view of what's going on in the leaf. All the things that you see moving around that are very tiny, the tiniest ones that you can see here, let's see if I can zoom in better, those are bacteria. Like this guy coming across the screen here and all the ones on the bottom, they're pretty much a dark brown in color. They're not transparent at all. Now those bacteria are attacking those leaves already before they even hit the ground, because now they have a good food source and there's enough moisture on a leaf. That's a better view. And you can see them all moving around. Again, this is going up on top of the tallest tree. There's bacteria eating those leaves already before they hit the ground. So let's move this around a little bit. So now we're going to see, because we found fungi, we found bacteria. Now let's see, and all these other little pieces in here is just like, let's say, dust on top of things. Right now this is at 400 magnification. I want to see if we can catch something that's very difficult to even see in the soil when they get down below. But again, you can see all those moving parts, and that's again bacteria. Now let's see if I can find something. I'll be right back. So I found what I was looking for. These 2 round globes right here, here and here, those are celias or cillets. Now what they do is they will eat the bacteria and then keep the bacteria and fungi to a minimum on the leaves. Now the purpose of the fungi and the bacteria on the leaf, let me get a leaf here, is to take this leaf here and to cover it with bacteria and fungi and keep let's say a good population right on a leaf. And what it does, it protects that leaf from disease. It's like forming a barrier between the outside environment and the leaf. So all those bacteria and fungi are there all the time on a leaf during the growth of the leaf, even when it's green, that it's there to protect it. And the leaf is feeding them water and also nutrients through the carbon to keep them alive. Now again, there's other things besides these two items here that will keep the bacteria and fungi to a minimum. So there's a lot going on in those leaves before they even touch the ground. So just to let you know that you don't have to worry about trying to track too much bacteria or fungi in your soil. When you add any type of organic material, it's being attacked already by those two items, and is also being maintained population-wise by something else that's going to be eating those bacteria and fungi, the celias. I want to thank you so very much for watching today's video. Please like and share this video with other people. It does help out my channel immensely. And until the next time, enjoy gardening, and I'll see you shortly with another video. Thanks.